Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something really special. So in case you missed that, and I think you missed that, I won the Bring Me the Horizon giveaway. I just received that this morning. I am so happy and I didn't open it yet because I know a lot of you were interested on the giveaway, so I wanted to share it with you. So they really took care of the package. I have this little cute thing, and they asked to be careful with the thing. I was very emotional when I opened the mailbox. I hoped I wouldn't cry in front of the camera, but I think it will be okay. I feel better now. I'm so tired, it's so late in France. ASMR. I had to wait a little bit to receive this. I was waiting, they come back to England. They asked me if I would prefer to receive the prints without autographs and faster, or if I preferred to wait longer but to receive it with the autographs. And of course I said I want the autograph. We waited and they were in England for the Ape show, or APE, I don't know how you say that, but it was amazing and I missed that and I was so sad, I cried. Anyway, so I love this one so much. The cover is amazing, I love it so much. They signed in pink. So the second one, and I love this one so much. I think that this cover is one of my favorite ever of Bring Me the Horizon. I mean, this one is so cool with the jellyfish, and you see the autographs are blue. I love it so much. I didn't know they signed the same color of the cover, and it looks so good. I am so happy. I can't wait. I wanna frame them. So this one is one of my favorites. I think it's my second favorite album. I love it so much. And now the autographs are red. I think this cover is iconic. I love it. My favorite song in this one is The Sadness Will Never End. I know they played it live last week, I think, with Sam Carter. This one, it's my favorite album ever. As you can see, it's my favorite. I love it so much, so much. I'm so happy. I wanted this one so bad, and I'm so happy I have it. I think that if I had to pick only one, I would take this one, because this album is amazing. Every song are amazing, and my favorite song ever is It Never Ends, just like Jordan. And the autographs, they are silver. And now this one. I know it's the favorite of a lot of people, this album. It's amazing. I love this album so much. My favorite is And the Snake Start to Sing. And the autographs, they are gold. It's so cool. And this one. Oh, and I think this cover is amazing too. I love it so much. It's so amazing, like all the colors and stuff. And you see the autographs are purple. It's so cool. It looks so good. It's so cool. The autographs are yellow, and you see that it's a bit glittery, and it looks so good. I am so happy, like really happy. I think I wanna do a photo with all of them to share them in my Instagram. So don't forget to check out my Instagram. Oh, look what I have too. They signed me my tickets when I saw them in Paris. It was amazing. They signed me it too. So it was the best year this year, I think. Yeah, one of the best years of my life. I don't know if I seem a bit sad, but it's late in France and I'm very, very tired. And I waited all the evening to open it and to share with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I already have this one. For this one, the Amo one, I don't know if I'm really going to keep it because I'm already really lucky to have all of them. So I was wondering if maybe you guys were interested in the giveaway, you know, because I don't have many people on my page, and I don't know if some of you are interested or not, because it's not really useful for me to have a true emo cover, and if I may share a bit of my happiness with you, I will be glad to make a giveaway for this one, not the signed one. So let me know if you are interested or not. I don't want to say I will make a giveaway and don't make it, you know, so just let me know. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!